Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Monday laid the foundation stone of the construction of a new Meghalaya House Annex at 9 Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Road, New Delhi. The new complex will be constructed in two phases, the first phase comprising 24 guest rooms and a meeting hall, built at an estimated cost of Rs 22 crore. The Chief Minister emphasized that Meghalaya House in Delhi must serve the people of the state by providing comfortable and welcoming stay for visitors and officials. Sangma directed officials to ensure the new building is constructed with modern amenities and facilities reflecting the culture and traditions of Meghalaya. He stressed the importance of human values alongside infrastructure, urging staff to focus on warmth and hospitality. The ceremony was attended by Deputy Chief Minister Prestun Tinsong and General Administration Department Minister Sosthenes Sotun.
And with all of these efforts, we are very hopeful that we will be having a very good infrastructure out here with adequate facilities, modern facilities and proper service, so that people, when they come from Meghalaya to be here in Delhi, this should be always their first choice, and we would not in the future have to look for any other space in any other facilities apart from the Meghalaya houses that we have in Delhi. So this is really what our objective is, and I'm very happy today that we have been able to lay the foundation stone for this. And I do urge the PWD department to ensure that the work is done in the best possible manner, and most importantly by the best people, so that this infrastructure comes out to be excellent, as well as the construction is done on time.
And the foundation that we are going to lay this morning is about the first phase of the construction. We have two phases. First phase is about 30 something rooms, right? See? About
24, this 24 rooms.
Or 24 rooms. In the first phase, we will be able to get 24 rooms. And maybe in the second phase, we will get more rooms. And I could see, once this is completed, I'm very sure the service delivery mechanism will again be further improved as far as official issues are concerned.
The foundation of this annex building, it marks an important milestone for the JAD department. This new facility will not only strengthen the administrative capacity, but also provide a better working environment for our officers and staff, enabling them to deliver services more efficiently and effectively to the people of Meghalaya. As we move forward, I assure everyone that the JAD department will continue to work tirelessly for the betterment of the people of Meghalaya under the guidance and support of our Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister.